Today, I'm going to tell you how to make the summer special lemon mint juice. This is something that we definitely need to try during these summers. For this, I'm going to take one small piece of ginger and chop it well and add it onto a mixer grinder. Next, I top this up with some mint leaves which are nicely washed and chopped. I top it up with some salt for taste and add some black pepper, which is best for the throat. We top this up with some Elaichi powder for flavor and then add some Jaggery powder, which is an alternative to sugar. Next, we top this up again with some lemon juice. To this, we add a few cubes of ice to make the drink more refreshing and add enough water to submerge all of these. It's now time to grind this well and run it through a sieve so that all the rough particles are filtered out. And now our perfect summer drink, lemon mint juice, is now ready to be had. Like and subscribe for more such videos.